Here, I'm going to tell you. Alright, hold that Accutuner. So, alright, you come to the tuner, okay, you hit, turn it on, okay. You hit tune, because it's not in tune mode, you hit tune first. So I hit tune, now it goes into tune mode. And then, to get to the page 1, because you don't know what page you're on, you hit shift and then page up there to 1. Shift, hold shift in, hold shift in, then I go page, and it goes to page 1, let go. There you're in page 1. Now, you're at A0 on page 1, and you can use the octave up. You're at A1 and it says 5.0. A2 it says 0.5. You know, it's going to say different stuff in this right hand side, but that doesn't matter. So you can go to like A4, which would be your middle A. Then you can go note down, you can go to C4, which would be your middle C. So C4, and then you can go up octaves and down octaves, and up notes and down notes, and that's all you're going to do to tune. Okay? So if you want to change, change, that's our first video, that's where you're at. Then you can tune there.